Hello everyone, welcome back to a new video. This is Subi from Citrus Channel Studio. Today we are going to be making a DIY junk journal. I'm using the blue frosted journal papers along with the complementary kit to make a very small journal over here. I've also included a few of the kind of like these tracing papers and a brown paper bag to add in between the journal pages. I felt like these white, kind of these transparent sheets of papers would go well with the blue theme over here. I'm just arranging all of these pages first in the order that I want to stitch them together. And I'm using one of the background pages from the kit as the cover for the entire journal. So this is what we have. And I also want to include these fabrics to the corners of these pages. A few of these pages I'm just going to use my sewing machine and add a few of these fabrics to the edges. And this is what I've done. I've just used my sewing machine and added a few of these fabrics to certain pages over here. And I've printed the journal papers on I think it's a 100 GSM printing paper. And now I'm just going to use my paper clips and secure them together, and then I've gone through used my sewing machine and gone through the entire pages and stitched like one long stitch, and there you have it. We have a journal over here. And from the complementary kit of the blue frosted journal, I've printed a few of the tags, ephemeras, labels and such, and I'm just going to use those things to decorate the entire journal. And I've included an envelope also in the center that you can see over here. And I've also used the white pages and I've just folded them like in 3/4 so that they can make like pockets that you just saw right now. And this I've included like these larger tags which comes along with these pockets for these certain tags. So you can just make them into like the you can see these pocket tags that you can just make them. And I'm just covering the area that you can see over here. So I'm just going to continue decorating the entire journal with these ephemera tags and all these labels. And I think this will probably be the last video for the holiday season for this year. So this kit, the blue frosted Christmas journal papers along with the complementary kit is actually included in the Christmas bundle 2025. So if you have bought the bundle, you can just check out your link for all of these kits. All of the pages, the ephemera tags, everything is included. And about the Christmas bundle 2025, it includes almost 60 plus kits along with the journal pages, the complementary kits, the whatever folios I've made till now, the Chucky journals, and just a lot of things are included in the Christmas bundle 2025. That is whatever I have made through the year, starting from July, everything has been included in the bundle 2025. So you get like instant access to all of these kits once you buy the Christmas bundle 2025. And I will include the link in the description so that you can have a look at what are the kits that are included in this bundle and everything else. And I also want to mention that I think there was uh, the holiday patterns background paper was the last kit that was included in the Christmas bundle. So if you have already bought the bundle, you can I just want to let you know that we are closing the bundle with over 60 plus kits. And I hope that you had so much fun with using all of these kits in your own projects for just making these folios, these chunky journals, and all those things. Because I enjoyed making the entire kit. Like I just enjoyed creating all these kits for the bundle. So I just hope that you can also give me a comment uh, in this channel that if you had like a certain specific kit that you enjoyed the most, or you just want to let me know about how the bundle has been useful for your project or anything else. I would love to know about your experience from the bundle. And I'm sorry that my voice is I've got like a scratchy voice today somehow because I have been traveling this month. So it's my birthday month, so I just went on a huge trip, which was big for me. Um, so I'm from India, if for people that didn't know. So my husband and I, we have never been like on an international trip. So this year we just thought like let's do international trip. So usually during my birthday, I we travel uh, to some place, stay for 5 days or something like that. And this year we just uh, went to Dubai actually. Our first international trip was to Dubai, and we enjoyed there for like 10 days. And I just came back, and I've been resting for uh, past 1, 2 days. And right now I'm just recording this video. So don't, sorry if my voice is a bit scratchy. So yeah. And I really enjoyed the trip. I just want to let you know because there was this kind of like this uncomfortable feeling like when you do like these new things, right? You feel like this uncomfortable. Should I do this? Should I not do this? And all those things. And I was just really anxious about going on this trip, especially like another country even. So, but I really enjoyed it. I think the first international trip to Dubai, as you know, it's kind of like the safe space, I know, the safe travel place to go. And I think that probably contributed to me having so much fun there. Like, we really enjoyed visiting the place. And um, since it was December, the weather was also really good. um, the weather was kind of like not too hot, but like one day it was really hot. We felt this entire like the summer kind of a day in Dubai. But other than that, we had so much fun. Okay, that's for the story time. And yeah, as you can see, I've just started decorating and filling all of the extra pages. I've just started adding pockets and ephemeras and these folders and all those things. I've also got this cute envelope, and I'm just going to keep continuing to add these little details to the entire journal. And you can just continue watching. And there you have it. We have the final reveal of this blue frosted journal, the DIY journal. I've printed all of the ephemeras and the tags also on 100 GSM paper. I've not printed them on like a thick cardstock or anything like that. I just wanted to use this 100 GSM paper and so that I can use these ephemeras like stick on these pages and all those things. I feel like the 100 GSM paper did work for the tags also. It's quite sturdy. I mean, it wouldn't work for like chunky journals or folios, but here I feel like it worked really well. I've also added like little details to the certain ephemeras with my fabric and uh, just the tags and all. I just added like these fabric details as you can see. So as I mentioned, you can just check out the link for this kit, the blue frosted journal papers and the complimentary kit in the description below. And if you want to look at the Christmas bundle 2025, I will include the link in the description again. You can join the newsletter to get updates on new products. You can get updates on discount codes and all those things. And I will include the link in the description. You also get access to the CJS freebie library where I have like a wide selection of a lot of freebies that are included in this library that you can just use for your own projects. And I will be updating the free library soon with more kits. And you can follow me on Instagram. I've got a Facebook page, and you can also subscribe to the YouTube channel. And I hope that you had fun this entire holiday season. I had so much fun creating for um, creating all of these kits, all of these folios, all of these journals for you. I had a blast, and I hope that you had fun also. And I also hope that you have a very good holiday season and just enjoy the entire rest of this year. We are ending 2025. This year was such a great year for me, so I am so happy that this creative journey I get to share it with you. And I will see you next year. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year to you. Bye bye.